So yeah, I just went out on a morning walk here. So today is Saturday. I am not trading today, and I'll be going to work later in the day though. So I took some few trades here, and this week I discovered that I took relatively less trade, unlike before where I normally take like 20 trades a week. But this week I took less than I think less than 10 trades there, which I'm grateful for that shift because it's not easy coming from a nature whereby I have been or yeah, I've been a victim of over trading. But for some reason this week I took less trade, and of course in all the trades I took, all the my risk was managed there. So my risk was managed so hard that whenever I take a trade, I don't really even have the time to like go trade or to like to follow the trade if it's going against me or not. I just take a trade, put my stop loss and take profit, and then I just let it just play out. I don't like follow up the trade back to back, which I've been doing before. So on the 5K account, I'm down like 2%. It's not supposed to be 2%, but because of the commissions and all, so I'm down 2%. And on the 10K account, I think I'm down almost 1% on that one. So I just want to go over to my screen. Let me show you guys some of the trade and a little bit of breakdown on the ones that got to my take profits. And because for the trade which I took, I only have two. I took over almost 10 trade here. Not necessarily 10 trade. I took less trade, but there were like multiple positions. I want to show you guys the trade which I took and how they play out. Most of them got to my stop loss, but some of them, the one that got to my take profit, I made a little. Meanwhile, the one that got to my stop loss, I think I lost a little here. So anyhow, I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. Now let me go back to my screen. I'm currently outside. I took a walk, alright. So now let me just get inside and I'll do a more detail video about how this week plays out. So see you guys in a minute.
Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I'm currently on the growth chart right here. Okay, this trade, I only took it on the 10K account. I did not take it on the 5K because growth funded trader does not allow copy trading on other accounts. So if you're in a particular trade on one account, you don't have to repeat that same trade on another of the account. So so this is how they take it on the 10K account. And again, trading gold on the 5K account is not on my list. So I don't intend to trade gold on the 5K account because of how volatile it can be sometimes. So I have been trading the 5K account very conservatively more than I'm trading the 10K account. Alright. So this is I'm only straight since Friday, hoping that price is going to drop from here. So fingers crossed as tomorrow is Monday, we're gonna see how price is gonna react. So for the first trade of the day, we're gonna look at Euro AED. Euro AED was the first trade I took on the account. I'm gonna leave a screenshot somewhere on the screen for you guys to see. So Euro AED was the first trade I took on the account here. So as you can see, but I got stopped out on break even. Immediately I got stopped out on break even, I now enter multiple positions on the 10K account, which made me over $250. We'll talk about that later. But this is the first trade I took on the Euro AED, so I got stopped out. I think I got yeah, I got stopped out. Selling price I got stopped out on break even, so yeah. Selling price went to my take profit. When price came back, I now tried to enter on the buy again, and I got stopped out multiple times, like two times, as you can see on the screenshot there. So on this other one here, what is the next trade? The next trade we're talking about will be Euro card. Let me review Euro card for you guys. Yeah, Euro card is just British. Yeah, Euro card. I am currently expecting like a buy from this zone here, buy from here, like so. Let me show you guys. So I'm expecting a buy from this zone on Euro card like that. This is my main bias on Euro card, something like this. Yeah, but price was here. So I was anticipating that maybe price is gonna drop from this area to my buy zone. Look at how price did. Price stopped me out. I came back and got to my take profit. Of course, getting to my buy zone. price was spiked up. So that's how I lost on this one by going against the market trend or by trying to outsmart the market. I should have waited for my setup to appear, but instead I tried to force the setup myself. That's why I currently lost that trade on Euro card. So the next one will be Euro GBP. That is the one that I made $35 off Euro GBP. Euro GBP is not a pair that I normally trade. I don't trade it that much because of how um it's full of like it has consolidation going on around it. So I barely trade up there. So on the Euro GBP, as you can see what price the price is on the uptrend on Euro GBP, but I decided to like move on the counter trend. That's why the target is so low. I went into 1:2 and I reached relatively small again because I was not too sure about how price was going to react. So I reached just $15. That's why I made $35. That's my target was like a 1:2, yeah. So I risked $15 to make 30 plus. That's why I left the market immediately it got to my take profit. So this trade was shared in my Telegram channel. So there'll be a link in the description of this video. You can use that link and join my Telegram channel where all trades that I'm taking on both the 5K and the 10K will be posted for free, guys. So there'll be a link. Make sure you join the group if you want to trade the way I'm trading, like if you want to trade what I am trading, guys. So so that's it on the USDT. So the one we have here is a Euro GPY. This Euro GPY, I clearly went against the market trend for the day. Euro GPY, where are you? Euro GPY? Yeah. I'm not sure if I still have the short measurement. Um, I'm not sure if I still have the bar measurement on my screen, but I went against it. So So as for GBP as you can see here, yeah, I'm currently on the buy. I'm holding on to this buy on GBP. That's because I price is currently on a support level and breaking structures to the upside. That was why I entered. So I risk kind of high on this one here. So immediately price moved here. This was where I closed the trade. I closed the trade somewhere here. Yeah, I closed the trade there. And price now reversed because it was already Friday, so I needed to get what I wanted to get and leave the market because I already have a rough week. You can imagine days of consolidation. GBP has been here like here throughout the week. I don't know if maybe it's because of CPI that made most of the play of these players refuse to move the way it's supposed to. So yeah, as you can see, this was where we are stuck. And I usually price came here, price happening, moved a bit. I think I closed somewhere here. Yes, I saw those multiple rejection here. So, and but on the 10K account, I'm holding on to gold and GBP on the 10K account on this same buy. But on the 5K account, I'm only holding on to Euro AUD, which I okay, yeah, this is the measurement of Euro AD. So I still have this long interest. I'm anticipating that price is gonna get to at least 50% of this euro. I'm not even targeting 100%. I'm targeting just 50% of this job, which is somewhere around this range. That is what I'm targeting. Again, targeting something like so. I so this are the trades I mean. On the last one we should looking at here, which is gold. Gold, I clearly went against the market trend. So that's it on. So I left all these trades which you're seeing here. I left all of them in the I dropped it before it plays out or that stop loss or take profit or break even. I left everything in the Telegram channel, which the link will be in the description of the video. You can use that link and join my channel for you to get for you to trade where I'm trading at. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop any exciting videos you'll be notified. I will see you guys in the next one.
Hey guys, so that's it on that. Yeah, this is a recap of how I traded this week on the 5K account. So guys, if you want to see more videos like this, please kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So whenever I drop any video related to forex, you'll be notified. Alright. So this is my channel here. So I document my journey, my ups, down, losses, profit, everything that you're gonna see, everything related to me. Always. So everything related to me will be documented here on this channel. So kindly like and subscribe and grow with me, guys. So see you guys on the next one. Alright.